If you're a crypto investor, if you're a crypto trader, and you're looking for that next step to enhance your performance when it comes to managing your crypto portfolio, then definitely check out CryptoWatch. Click that link below and create a free account. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svensson. Today I want to go over the price of Bitcoin and a few of the top altcoins. We have seen some of the altcoins finding good support recently, and a lot of people are already talking about an altcoin season beginning right now. So right now, with the way that things are playing out, in my opinion, we are sitting in a classic descending triangle pattern. We have horizontal lows and lower highs. Bitcoin was on a parabolic upswing using this parabolic support line as support. And on July 13th, July 12th, we did get a breakdown below that parabolic support line. So when the bull market started, when Bitcoin began its bull run, we did get a golden cross on April 21st to 22nd. We saw the 50 simple moving average crossing above the 200 simple moving average on the daily chart. And that did give us our indication of a continued bull run. Personally, I found something that was a little bit more useful at the time, which was actually the 21 EMA, the blue 21 EMA and the 100 yellow EMA. Right, this was actually a better indication of the breakout, right? This was, if you look back here, we hadn't seen a cross from the 100 EMA and the 21 EMA, and literally the day after we got the 21 EMA to cross above the 100 EMA, that was the actual initiation of the bull run. And right now we're seeing the 100 EMA and the 21 EMA coming closer right now, squeezing in with the price action. So in my opinion right now, the two most critical moving averages we need to look at right now are the blue 21 EMA and the 100 yellow EMA right here. If the price does maintain above the 21 EMA, then things could remain bullish and we could be looking for a break to the upside of the formation overall. Now, if we do get the blue 21 EMA crossing below the yellow 100 EMA and we get that cross, then that is a very likely indication that we're looking for further downside to retest my downside target of about $7,500. And it would be very similar to what we saw to initiate the bull market. The blue 21 EMA crossing above the yellow 100 EMA, an extremely accurate short-term indication of the bull market starting. And in my opinion, just on the opposite end, it'll be a very accurate short-term indication if the blue 21 EMA crosses below the yellow 100 EMA on the daily chart. This would be my personal indication that we're looking for further downside and a classic breakdown of the descending triangle. So overall, I still think a breakdown out of the formation is more likely than a breakout, but right now things are extremely neutral and we are seeing a lot of positive sentiment in the altcoin market right now. So anything is possible. If we do start to move above and hold above the blue 21 EMA and use it as support and we break above the downward sloping resistance line, then that could be a strong indication that we are actually looking for further upside and possibly retesting new highs and at least testing our horizontal resistance right here. The blue 21 EMA, if we get above that, that is a bullish indication, and the yellow 100 EMA, if we break below that, that is a bearish indication, and that would be my personal indication for telling me where the market's going to be headed for the next few months. So what I find interesting is on the 3-day chart for Ethereum, we have seen a break out of the falling wedge pattern and we're looking to retest some resistance right now. Volume is picking up a little bit right now. What I find interesting is that for the most part, Ethereum has been using the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart as support. We've been finding support just above the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart. And then once we hit the breakdown, creating this falling wedge pattern, we use the 100 EMA as resistance on the 3-day chart. And right now, we're lining up, the 236 is lining up with the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart. We are finding a little bit of resistance here. Now, of course, if we can get above the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart, that would be an extremely bullish sign. And that would likely indicate a shift and a potential indication that alt season may have actually begun, right? Ethereum is the second top coin right now in the crypto market. If Ethereum can range above the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart and find support along that level and get above $230, then we're very likely looking at a potential alt season or at least a continued rally for some of the top altcoins. For Ethereum, from swing high to swing low, A very similar action taking place here. The 236 is currently acting as resistance. Litecoin from swing high to swing low, the 236 is also acting as resistance. For Ethereum on the 3-day chart, we're getting resistance just below the 100 EMA. For Litecoin on the 3-day chart, we're getting resistance just below the 100 EMA. So again, for Litecoin as well, if you get a break above the yellow 100 EMA and use it as support, then that could be the continuation and confirmation of alt season actually beginning, right? Right now, I'm not convinced that alt season is beginning. But if we start to see Litecoin and Ethereum ranging above the 100 EMA on the 3-day chart, then for me, that could actually be a very bullish indication and a possible sign that we could see some continuation for a true alt season here. But of course, that all depends on Bitcoin as well. So if you guys have been watching this channel, Chainlink has been our #1 altcoin pick, and it has incredible performance recently, ranging from 35 cents to over $4.50. Right now, we are seeing a nice correction here. Chainlink has sort of been acting on its own a lot of the time recently. So personally, I'm looking for some continued downside here. I'm looking for some major support to be found, possibly the $1 level, which is a critical consolidation area right here, acting as our most critical support area. $1 would not only be good technical support, but also good psychological support. I think really, in my opinion, anything below $1 for Chainlink is a total buy and a total steal. So I'd be looking for anything under $1 for Chainlink as the maximum buying opportunity. I think anything below $1 will be bought up. So in my opinion, I'm not convinced that alt season has necessarily begun. We are seeing a decrease in Bitcoin dominance. We are seeing an increase in some altcoin prices. Although, Bitcoin is kind of just trading sideways right now. And when Bitcoin trades sideways, altcoins see some action, right? And right now, what I see is I see altcoin action. I don't see alt season. Now, of course, alt season is really up for interpretation right now. I think Bitcoin is really going to have to make a move here for alt season to really begin. Now, we are seeing some coins like, Stellar today seeing incredible action, IOTA seeing some action finally. Some of these altcoins are seeing some moves. It's about, we've seen 90% decreases in a lot of these altcoins, and now they're getting a bit of a bounce. This is routine action. It's not necessarily alt season. In order to get some major moves in altcoins, I personally believe we're gonna have to see some more major moves in Bitcoin. So we're gonna have to really wait until then. But anyway, guys, that's just how I'm seeing the charts right now. I am more focused on Bitcoin right now, waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, because that is going to set the tone for the next couple months, in my opinion. So if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to take that next step when it comes to managing your crypto portfolio, definitely click that link below and check out CryptoWatch, create a free account, and check out the platform. And I will see you guys in the next video.